All right, so it says that a bag of apples weighs 1 75/100 pounds. Joseph bought 8 bags of apples. When he got home, he discovered 2.5 pounds of the apples were rotten. After he threw away the rotten apples, how many pounds did he have left? So it says that he bought 8 bags of apples. Okay, if Joseph bought 8 bags of apples and a bag costs him, or I'm sorry, weighs 1.75. We're trying to figure out how many pounds he has left after he threw some away. So we first have to determine how many pounds he bought in total at the store. So we have to sit here and do 1.75 times 8. So we need to multiply, and when we multiply, our first step is to take out our decimal points when multiplying. So we're doing 175 times 8. And then we're timesing. So 8 times 5 is 40. Bring up the 4. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. Eight times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now you have to sit here and say, okay, well, I had a 7 and a 5 behind the decimal point. A 7 is one number, so that's one finger. A 5 is another number behind the decimal, so that's 2 fingers. So that means I'm moving this decimal point 2 times. Swoop once, swoop twice. So or Joseph in this case, spent $14 on his apples. Or, I'm sorry, he had 14 pounds. I keep getting it confused. I apologize. 14 pounds. He has 14 pounds of apples now at home. When he got home, though, he discovered that 2.5 of the pounds of the apples were rotten. Well, if they're rotten, you're not going to keep them. Joseph did not keep them. He threw them away. So he got rid of them. So he took them out of that 14 pounds that he had. So you have to subtract now 14 pounds from, or you have to take away 2.5 of those pounds. So you need to subtract now 14 minus 2, and when we subtract, we line up our digits and our decimal point based off the place value, 2.5. So you subtract it, and then that will be your answer once you've subtracted. And you can type your answer in here once you are done. And if you need to, place another 0 below this 0, so you have your place values lined up. Okay, when you subtract that, then you'll get your answer. Good luck.